everyone, bonjour à tous and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 182, numéro 182. Today you will learn how to say please in French, pretty essential word if you are an absolute beginner. Now, before we start today's lesson, as always, if you are new here, welcome. Please make sure you grab your lessons cheat sheet so you can follow along and see how the words are written. Now, this is a very short and pretty straightforward episode, so no exercises today. All right, so let's get into it. Let's see two ways to say please in French, depending on who you're talking to and how formal the situation is. All right, way number one, s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. And that means please. So use s'il te plaît in informal situations or when you are speaking to someone that you know, like a friend or a colleague or a family member. So in informal, in casual situations, s'il te plaît. Now, literally, it means if it pleases you. S'il te plaît. So let's see some examples. Ferme la porte, s'il te plaît. Close the door, please. Ferme la porte, s'il te plaît. Est-ce que tu peux me passer le sel, s'il te plaît? Can you pass the salt to me, please? Est-ce que tu peux me passer le sel, s'il te plaît? All right, way number two is s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît also means please. Now, use s'il vous plaît in formal situations or with anyone that you don't know very well, or with anyone that you would address with vous instead of tu. And if you're not sure whether to use tu or vous, check out I think it's episode 48 of the podcast. I will link it in the transcript. Now, repeat after me. S'il vous plaît. Let's see some examples. Un café, s'il vous plaît. A coffee, please. Un café, s'il vous plaît. Remplissez ce formulaire, s'il vous plaît. Fill out this form, please. Remplissez ce formulaire, s'il vous plaît. All right, so let's do a recap. I told you that was very short. To say please in French, you can say s'il te plaît for informal, casual situations or with someone that you know. Or s'il vous plaît for formal situations or with people that you don't know very well. Et voilà, that is the end of today's lesson. Short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. I will chat with you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Now, before you go, if you are just starting your French grammar journey and you are not sure where to begin, I've created something just for you. It is called the French Grammar Essentials Checklist for Beginners, and it will help you keep track of what you already learned, what you need to focus on next, and how to stay organized as you go. You can download the checklist from the show notes. It is completely free. Go grab it and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye.